Now, let's talk about a film that's coming out in November of next year about a group of immortals created by Disney legend Jack Kirby in a film we call The Eternals. Now, we have assembled a giant cast for you in this. This story spans thousands of years. We pull back the cosmic curtain on the MCU in ways you can't imagine. You want to meet the Eternals? All right, ladies and gentlemen, as Icarus, Richard Madden. Playing the Eternal Kingo, Kumail Nanjiani. As the fastest Eternal there is, Makari, Lauren Ridloff. We've got as Phastos, the amazing Brian Tyree Henry. Let me introduce you to the leader of the Eternals, Ajax, played by Salma Hayek. And playing an Eternal that is eternally stuck in a 12-year-old body, even though she's 7,000 years old, Leah McHugh as Sprite. As the powerful Gilgamesh, Don Lee. And as the warrior Thena, Angelina Jolie. Now, I want to introduce you, there's a new Eternal named Druig, played by the great Barry Keoghan. And believe it or not, that's not all. As our final Eternal, Cersei, we have Gemma Chan, who is... And I can also confirm, playing a non-Eternal character in this film named Dane Whitman is Mr. Kit Harington. This one is big. Our director, Chloe Zhao, is in London getting ready to work, but I really wanted you to meet, ladies and gentlemen, our Eternals.
So we're here for Eternals, which I'm very excited to have joined the MCU and to play Thena.
It's a movie called Eternals, and everyone seemed to be very excited about it.
Yes.
I'm very excited about it. Yeah.
There's a lot of people there. I mean, 7,000, I think.
Yeah, it was great. It was very well.
Yes, I have to say it was such a huge room, and it's so good to see some people signing and stuff. So which is great to see.
I was just so overwhelmed with everyone's love, which it felt so cool to be up there with my whole new family that I'm gonna have for the next few months, and this is gonna be awesome.
I thought it was amazing for a change to start a movie that the people are already waiting for with excitement and they want to go see it. It's like a relief and a little bit of pressure, at the same time, because you don't want to disappoint these amazing fans that are so hardcore.
Like a dream come true. I've been a fan of the Marvel franchise since it began over 10 years ago, and to be here with such an amazing cast and such a diverse cast and such a great creator, our director Chloe Zhao, she's amazing, and it's going to be great. It's going to be unlike anything they've seen.
Well, all the fans, I can feel the energy here. I've always been a big fan of Marvel and Disney, and then I'm so excited to be here. It's the first time here, but after this, maybe when I'm done with the interview, I might go to Disneyland and try to have more fun.
And I'm a fan too. That's the fun thing is I'm on this side, but I'm also in the audience, right? I'm thrilled when I see the other actors get up and do something. When I hear when the sequel to Black Panther's opening, or it's fun.